How to change your appearance for 2025. Hey beauties! The 2025 is near, and it's time for a fresh start. Are you ready to spice things up and transform your look? Today, I'm sharing some super fun and exciting ways to switch up your appearance from skincare and hair care to wardrobe updates and mental wellness. Stick around because you're going to love these tips. Let's dive in. Skincare routine. Cleanser. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities. You can use Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Exfoliate. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. You can use Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant Toner. Use a toner to balance your skin's pH and tighten pores. For this use, Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel. Serum. Apply a serum or essence to deliver active ingredients and address specific skin concerns. Use Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Serum. Moisturize. Moisturize to lock in hydration and protect your skin from environmental stressors. You can use CeraVe Moisturizer, Neutrogena, Hydro Boost Water Gel. Eye cream. Use an eye cream to target the delicate skin around your eyes. You can use Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream. All these products are valuable and well-known. Hair care routine. Shampoo. Use a hydrating shampoo to moisturize your hair, like Pantene Pro-V Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoo. Conditioner. Use a conditioner to nourish and repair your hair. Use Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner to get soft and silky hairs. Hair mask. Apply a hair mask once or twice a week to nourish and repair your hair. Use L'Oréal Paris Everpure Repair and Protect Mask, and you can also use natural remedies for hairs. Heat protectant. Use a heat protectant spray to prevent damage from heat styling tools. Use Moroccanoil Heat Protectant Spray to protect your hairs and shine them. Hair serum. Use a hair serum to add shine and protect your hair. Remember, serum are essential for a good hair care routine. You can use Moroccanoil Argan Oil Serum or other serums which include coconut oil and other essential oils. Hand and foot care. Exfoliate. Exfoliate your hands and feet regularly to remove dead skin cells. For this use, Soap and Glory Sugar Crush Body Scrub. Moisturize. Moisturize your hands and feet to keep them hydrated and soft. Use CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Hand cream. Use a hand cream to target dry and rough skin on your hands. Product: Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. Foot cream. Use a foot cream to target dry and rough skin on your feet. Product: Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream. Wardrobe update. Give your wardrobe a refresh by experimenting with new styles and colors. Try pairing bold and bright hues with neutral tones to create a statement look. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns like stripes with florals to add some visual interest. Invest in a few timeless tops, like classic white shirts or blouses. A chic style top, pair it with leggings and sneakers, a button-down top or a peasant top. Invest in a few timeless bottoms, like well-fitting jeans or pants. A wide legs jeans or flare jeans, pair it with a hoodie or tops. Add a few dresses to your wardrobe for easy and stylish outfits, like maxi dresses, a midi dress, or slit dresses or jumpsuits. Invest in a few timeless outerwear pieces, like a classic coat or jacket, a long coat, trench coat, and a denim jacket or a shawl. Hairstyling ideas. There are some basic and simple hairstyling ideas for every day, just like a simple chic ponytail or a classic beachy waves, updos, buns, pinned back curls, and fishtail braids. Accessories. And remember, accessorize with hats, scarves, and jewelry to take your look to the next level. You can go with a beanie or a Panama hat, or for scarf. Go with a silk scarf, wool scarf, a cotton or pashmina, my fav one. Jewelry. Add some jewelry to your outfit for a stylish and easy accessory, like minimalist necklaces, statement earrings, studs, hoops, a chain necklaces, choker necklaces, and a cuff bracelet, or tennis bracelets. Mental health. Prioritize your mental well-being by taking time for self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy, practice mindfulness, and seek support when needed. Remember, a healthy mind is key to a happy and balanced life. That's it for today's video on transforming your appearance for 2025. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in upgrading your style and boosting your confidence. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might need a little inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on beauty, fashion, and self-care, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.